そのラムズをしっかりとした形に仕上げるっていうのが自分のミッションとしてはあるなと。かなり限界に近いスピードでウェアを流すことができるっていうのは実証しつつあります。
When I was appointed CTO, I thought there would be roughly 8 key responsibilities I would take on. Among them, I recognized the importance of what Rapidus has been pioneering with its Rapid and Unified Manufacturing Service, or RUMS concept, the integration of front-end and back-end processes. Ultimately, my mission is to properly institutionalize and advance this concept and shape RUMS into a solid framework. Additionally, Rapidus is a company that positions technology as its core value proposition. Therefore, it's essential to draw up a clear technology roadmap looking 5 or 10 years ahead, and define what technologies we will develop and what value we'll deliver to our customers. In addition to creating that roadmap, we must also establish solid strategies for recruitment and talent development. People are our most valuable resources, so it's crucial to advance our processes systematically and thoroughly. What sets RUMS apart from conventional approaches is that it provides end-to-end support, from wafer fabrication to final packaging, within a single foundry site, which we call Innovative Integration for Manufacturing, or EAM-1. We carry out the entire process, from wafer manufacturing all the way to packaging. This offers a significant advantage in terms of shortening cycle time. Roughly speaking, our view is that the time required will be cut to about half of what it typically takes when customers rely on other foundries. In wafer fabrication, by using a full single wafer processing system combined with the new AI-driven transport systems and optimized fab operations, we already foresee reducing cycle time to half or even less compared with other foundries. The same applies to packaging, where we also expect cycle time reduction. However, in the design phase, the degree of shortening depends largely on the customer's own processes. This means we need to work with them using the support tools we provide to verify how much reduction can realistically be achieved. Ultimately, our goal is to reduce the overall cycle time to half of the conventional foundry model. In semiconductor manufacturing, there are essentially 3 types of time. First is processing time, where equipment is actually forming or etching films. Second is transport time, where wafers are being moved from one tool to another. And the third is waiting time, where wafers are idle until the next tool becomes available. When analyzed, the pure processing time is much shorter than the total cycle time. The real bottleneck lies in transport and waiting. We have drastically reduced transport time by implementing a new overhead hoist transport, or OHT system, on a 4-directional rail grid. In addition, we can now finally control wafer-level scheduling. For example, rerouting a wafer if one tool is congested while another is available. Previously, the sheer volume of data made this kind of control impossible because computational power was insufficient. But with vastly improved computing performance, we can now manage wafer flow at the granularity of individual wafers rather than entire lots. In other words, it's not just about improving the manufacturing process itself. By tightly integrating advanced transport and management systems, we can shorten total cycle time. This AI capability has been co-developed with our transport system and represents a field where it will be very difficult for others to catch up. This is a key factor in reducing overall cycle time. We have developed our own simulator and have run numerous simulations, confirming their high accuracy. And now, wafers are now moving through the line at incredible speed, we are currently validating on our pilot line that wafers can flow at near physical limit speeds. At Rapidus, we want to help create a society where people can live more safely, comfortably, and happily. And we aim to support this through semiconductor manufacturing. To achieve this, it is essential to collaborate with customers who design innovative chips and those who provide the tools that make such designs possible. It is a fact that semiconductor advancements have already made people's lives more convenient and comfortable. We see it as our mission as a foundry to drive that evolution further toward a society that is not only more convenient, but also safer and more comfortable. Through our cutting-edge logic semiconductor manufacturing capabilities, we will deliver such environments and societal benefits to people around the world.